Welcome to Something Out of Nothing. Today we are going to be hosting Repair Cafe Toronto, and what that means is that we're going to be taking things that are broken and we're going to be fixing them so they don't end up in landfill. If you hit the subscribe button, you'll be getting all of the videos that are coming up.
My name's Paul Magder, and I'm one of the co-founders of Repair Cafe Toronto.
And my name's Fern Mossoff, and I'm one of the 3 co-founders of Repair Cafe Toronto.
So 3 of us were talking one night about maker spaces and sustainability and problems with how much garbage there is in the world. And the other third co-founder, who's not here, Wai Chu, said she'd heard about a place called Repair Cafe in Amsterdam. And then when we checked the website, it turned out there were repair cafes here and there around the world, and we thought, oh, well, let's try starting one here. I was going to be retiring soon. Fern was already retired, so this was going to be a nice project for our retirement.
We want to toast it all. Waiting for. I feel heat.
Oh,
I feel heat.
It went down.
It went down. Will it come up with toast? I'm thinking.
Let's hope so.
But what we found out at the end is there's an adjustment screw at the bottom, which you could have done first. But we stripped it all down.
Oh, yes.
And then finally found the problem, the adjustment screw, put it all back together, and now I can adjust it from the bottom as
I
need
hope it's
be.
going to work. Wonderful.
So how did
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Try this location.
All right.
There's another one fixed.
Oh, you gotta ring the bell.
We bring together people volunteers who enjoy fixing things with members of the general public who have things that they want to fix and learn how to fix. And there's various events, various sizes, various focuses on repaired categories and various venues. And we're happy to adapt the model for working in any which way that suits the venue host. The idea is just to promote repair instead of throwing things away, and to preserve the life and value of something which people already value. Those who come to the Repair Cafe do value their items, and it's a pleasure to help them.
Thank you for watching Something Out of Nothing. Today was an awesome day hosting the Repair Cafe. They were awesome people. It was exciting seeing all of the people's faces when they left, so excited and happy that their things were fixed. Thank you again for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, share, watch, and hope you have an awesome day. Ciao.
What's a Repair Cafe all about, Fern?
In the store, and what that, oh, that's a gun. Okay.
In the store.
In the store.
What store?
Yeah, really. Watching, oh, I was going to say, thank you for watching Repair Cafe. Okay. Okay.